All right, guys, we are very excited today to bring to you
Fetty.
Bear walker.
I love his enthusiasm on all things. Hey, Braille team, stoked for you to try out my Dire board. Every board to come out of my shop is handcrafted by me. So each one is a little different. I pride myself on making quality American-made products, but feel free to tear it up. Haha. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the board and watch your shins. Why does everything we do have to come with some sort of like
warning?
You're going to injure yourself.
And lately it's been shins.
Bear Walker, www.bearwalker.com. So this is already open apparently.
Oh no.
Oh no. We can't wreck this.
Let's just put that back.
This is literally the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Oh.
Is that a wolf?
I think it is a wolf. Excuse me? Some say wolf, some say woof.
This box,
leave it in the comments below.
The first thing to get destroyed is my shin from this box.
It looks like you're severely injured, maybe even bleeding. Bear Walker. Bear Walker.
You don't know what a dire wolf is?
Who wouldn't know what a dire wolf is? Bear Walker, thank you. I'd love to see your new Bear Walker gear in action, so if you take any pics, be sure to tag us at Bear Walker Official and use hashtag Bear Walker.
So it is a wolf.
Hashtag break the grain. Thank you again for...
It's a wolf.
Okay. Thank you again for letting me make you something and being a part of the Bear Walker community. And if you break your arm, that's on you, dude.
A bear's mouth can't open that.
Your arm is
The bear's mouth
feel that.
can't open
I know.
that big.
I already did. Oh yeah, boy. Dude,
It's a freaking T-Rex.
It's a knife.
Well, we have a very heated discussion over here as of whether it's a wolf or a
It's a
dire
wolf.
wolf or a bear or a raccoon. So what are we doing?
Kickflip, duh.
Kickflip. I feel like it's gonna break on the kickflip.
You're gonna break on the kickflip.
That's quite possibly the truth.
I don't think it's gonna break.
Okay, Daniel. He's first, I'm second, you're third.
Okay. It's a wolf. It's a wolf.
I think we're not gonna count that, but okay.
If you think it's a bear, you won't land the
Third
first
angle. Oh no! I'm like so scared to break it because it's such a thing of beauty.
No, because you guys keep missing because you think it's a wolf. All right, if I land it right here, it's a bear.
Oh, it's a bear. It's a wolf.
Okay, that's it. This one right here is for Bear Grylls. Watch out!
Dun, 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 dun. Can we get Bear Grylls here?
Please. Literally 9 plies. All right, take back what I said. Go ahead, do everything. Tray flip. Or should we play a game of skate?
Yeah.
SKATE, boys. This will be the
See, I told you every
First game of
time.
skate we ever
He
played.
throws the weirdest rock, paper,
out of
scissors.
there. Swoop! There it is. Best 2 out of 3, no repeat tricks. Just kidding.
No.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah, I gotta see what Carlos thinks this
What
is.
animal do you think that is?
Looks like a really gnarly land shark.
There you go, land
What?
Somebody didn't take that
Don't ask.
serious.
What is a land shark? Carlos, this is a very serious debate going on. We need your legit answer. What?
Wolf. That's what I
Wolf?
want to say. That's what I want to say it is.
Oh, look, he went.
720 flip.
Let's see what we got here. Poll. Name this animal.
Why'd you put yes or no? Why didn't you put bear or wolf?
If you ever follow me on Instagram at Aaron Kyro, you could go follow. You know my polls are the best. This one right here, for my favorite entertainer in the entire world, Bear Grylls. Man! If a hard flip goes that way and a varial flip goes that way, shouldn't a varial flip be called an easy flip? Let's start a new trend.
I landed primo on the spikes.
2 full rounds of everybody, no landed tricks. Let's see if we can actually do a trick. Check my poll and see what's winning.
I'm definitely gonna say yes is winning.
You think so?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Are you okay? Oh! This is one of the rare times that Aaron gets a letter on a 3 flip. Who's winning?
Yes is winning by 75%.
I knew
Okay.
it. Aaron, when's the last time you shaved? You look a little grizzly.
A lot
tip.
of people may say that this board has no nose, but there is a nose.
Oh!
Got him.
Luke,
Is that an animal? I don't know.
what animal is it?
What animal's mouth is that?
Like Chewbacca?
A hedgehog.
A wolf. Oh, it looks like a bear too.
Thank you, because the long hair, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The seemingly brown color of the wood throws you off because it looks like a brown bear.
The seemingly brown color, I think it is brown.
No.
I did an actual poll on my Instagram. Bear or wolf? We'll see what they say. This is like, I can't. I'm taking this back to Montana.
Can't bear this, Aaron. Are you guys really doing this right now?
It's science.
Freddie, it's your trick.
That's a wolf.
They are very similar.
They're really similar. I hate burials. You know, this really bites.
Burial flip.
Okay, bear's at 67%, wolf is at 33%.
Thank you, people!
I'm done with the controversy. Time to win.
If you win this game, I will agree that it is a wolf.
Deal.
But until that moment, it is a bear.
Right on that wolf nose.
We'll give it to you.
Fetty wants a rebate. I'm a scholar.
It hit me in the bone.
That bites. I'm gonna do some easier stuff. I'm gonna use your technique, Gabe.
Thank you.
What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again. Victory.
I don't know, you were just so far.
What should I do, Gabe?
Now I give you permission to do the switch front shove. Hold on to it. There you go. Watching him do easy tricks is almost as impressive as watching someone do like a 720 flip.
Bear 65%, wolf 35%.
Yes.
People are blind.
What animal
What
is
If I
animal
had
is
to
it?
guess, I would say a wolf.
Are you blind?
No, that like clearly, that's like clearly a wolf.
Well, 65% of people that did not know it was called the dire board think it would be a bear. 35% of people vote wolf.
The people have spoken.
It's clearly a wolf. If it was a bear, it'd be way wider
The
for
teeth
one.
would be like weird.
Yeah.
It is wood.
Is it my turn on offense?
If that thing came at me, I would say, oh my god, there's a bear about to kill me.
Leave it in the comments below. Is it a wolf or a bear?
You really went for that.
My turn on offense? No, that's it. Weapon X. Let's go, Gabe. That was brilliant.
You can't tell what animal it is from this side.
It looks like the silhouette of a bear.
Yes. Nolly heel time. This is your time. You already won a game earlier this week.
right here.
Win another one. Oh, dang it! That was for the Bears.
I know.
Everybody's got T. I don't want to let them off easy. I want to do like one of the most like glorious tricks that you would ever do in a game of skate. Not cheater, not like something that sweeps on the ground. Something popped, something beautiful. They're all out.
Man, that was a lot of passion. Oh, my voice cracked. Daniel, do it for the Bears.
I got wheeled by it.
That was so lame.
As for you, Gabe Cruz.
Just go through the wall.
I'll give you one more.
What? I love it.
For the Bears.
For the Bears.
Fakey heel, I got that all
That
day.
was Nolly.
Oh, nollie heel? That's even easier. Dire wolf. I guess if he wins, it's officially a bear.
Yeah.
Boom! Bear!
To be honest, it looks kind of like a dinosaur from this angle.
All right, guys, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely check out bearwalker.com. He handmade this incredible board, which is so absolutely beautiful. It just makes me want to hang it upon the wall. Well done on Daniel.
Thank you.
For another glorious win. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please click right here to watch this video right here that you guys will also really love, enjoy, and cherish. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com. It is your resource to learn how to skateboard. We got skateboards, we got how to skateboard videos, we got literally everything skateboard related. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow, 10 a.m.
Kelly Wakasa, what animal is this?
Please give this video a like, subscribe, and leave that comment below.
Kelly, what animal is this?
Saber-toothed tiger?
No, like seriously. Like a
bear.
real Thank you! Team Bear.